In this today's session, we are going to discuss about a callable statement. Yesterday, we have discussed about statement interface and prepare statement interface by using execute update method and execute query methods. We have performed CRUD operations, create, insert, update, delete operations, and select for displaying purpose. We have done these all operations. Okay, if you done this one, so it is easy to solve the task which you are going to face in exam. So yesterday we have done till here, right? But prepare statement also completed. Now in today's session we are going to see about callable statement. It is also interface that extends from prepare statement. Okay, now what I'm going to do means I'm going to create one class. So for callable statement example, so you can create a class. Now same code you can write here also in this class also. What are those common steps we have, right? So first we need to register the driver. First in the try block we will write try followed by catch block. That catch contains need to display the information about exception, right? That I'm using e dot print stack trace method. So in this we can write for loading the drivers, how we can do means by using class dot for name. Then you will write uh, about Oracle driver that already we have done, right? We have written that code. Where is it? Simple code class dot for name connection. Till this we can copy. Okay, so two steps. Instead of statement, we are going to create a callable statement to handle procedures. Normal queries we can handle with statement and prepare statement, but coming to procedures we can handle by using only this callable statement. So we need to write the import statements. This from SQL package and driver manager also from SQL package. Okay. So directly you can write java.sql.start, but I recommended these things directly you can call with the class. Okay. Now what I need to do, other step, we need to create a callable statement. Instead of statement and prepare statement, I'm using callable statement uh, to execute our procedures. Okay. First I will write a callable statement. Callable statement control space you can give callable statement from SQL package. mm, CS, or you can give any reference. Okay, next con dot prepare call off. Then we will call here. We will call procedure here. How we can call? By using call, and we'll write insert or is a procedure name insert operation. This is my procedure name. Okay, so shortcut I can use insert if underscore operation. Okay, so this is my procedure name I'm going to call. So I have uh, two parameters, and we need to close this using flower braces. You must put this call insert insert procedure. Okay, now I want to set the data to pass through this question marks these parameters. So how we can pass what is the reference of callable statement CS, right? CS dot set int. Int is a type of data I want to pass, and that is first parameter. Okay, that I'm passing employee ID 101 something you can pass like that. And other parameter, name, employee name, I want to pass it. Name is string type, right? String. So string type I can write, and then you can write here the value, exact value, or you can use to give the value by using scanner class also, that we have seen in previous class. Okay. mm, Now what we need to write here, name. Okay, we have written name. Then we need to execute this callable statement, right? For statement, how you are executing, execute update method or execute query method. Execute up by using execute update method, what you have done, so you can call that process like um, mm, uh, DML operations you performed, like insert, update, delete, like that. Coming to execute query method, you can call select operations. You can retrieve data from the database. Okay. Now you can use execute method also. I am using execute method here. So based on requirement you need to use it, but by using execute method I can handle DDL and DML operations also. Okay, whatever it is, I can handle all the operations by using execute method. Getting my point? And now what I'm doing here means I want to show some message. uh, I have done some execution, right? So for that, what I need to write, you can write some success message, something you want to display, you can display them. Okay. So this is from Java side, front end side. What about back end side? So with this name we need to create a procedure. Before that we need to do uh, we need to create one table, employee, that employee having employee ID, employee name. Okay, two things I need to create. So go to Oracle, I have already opened here, so I'm typing that. So create a table, table name employee 9 we have created yesterday, right? I'm giving 10. Okay. And now what we'll write, create table emp10. So id, that is a number type. Okay. Number I am giving, size is 10. So another column name I am giving, that is varchar type. Okay. So simple, I'm going to explain this concept a very simple manner. Observe here, later we will see the scenario. Okay. Later we will see the scenario. What happens? Enter bind variables. Okay. Okay. Now table has created. Okay. Now after that I can insert some data. Insert into emp10 values of, you can write employee ID 102 or 104 I'm giving. Then the name of the employee Ram. Okay. Now I'm executing this query. So execute this one. Okay. Now you can see the table. What the table contains, select star from emp10. Select that one, then run. So in this emp10 table we are having ID and name columns with the data 104 RAM. Okay. Now I want to execute, I want to create one procedure to insert the data into the table. Okay. Simple query I am writing. for your understanding I am saying very simple query. Later we will see the scenario, then you can understand very easily. For your understanding I am saying this. Now what we need to do, we need to create a procedure. How to create a procedure? Syntax: create or replace procedure, then we'll write a procedure name, what we have given procedure name. So procedure name is insert operation, right? So that we can mention here, insert operation uh, that contains parameters. How many parameters we have? Two parameters, question mark, two parameters, id and name, right? So I'm inserting id. So parameters, how we can represent in database? id, that is uh, which type of means which type of thing it is, means input parameter or output parameter. So we are giving, right, that means it is input parameter, but that you can represent in input. And data type is number data type. Next another parameter name, that is also input parameter. Data type is varchar2. Okay, so now what I need to do, so after creating is, after giving the parameters, I'm not giving any uh, variables, local variables. Directly I'm begin. Within the begin we'll write the logic. I'm writing logic. I am performing insert operation, insert into emp 10 values of uh, id and the name we are passing, right? That value we should get it here. After that we can write the end statement, end. Okay, so we need to execute this procedure. Okay, create or replace procedure name id in name in varchar is begin, not beginning. Okay, begin. Then we are performing logic here, end the statement. So declaration begin in end. So now we can run this procedure. Invalid character, where is invalid character? Insert operation, create or replace procedure name parameters is begin, insert into emp10 values of id comma name, then end. So now you can select this one, you can run this one. See here, procedure created successfully. So now the step is what? Now you can go to our Java program, run this program. So if you run this one, you should get 101 Sivakumar into our table.